Our skilled team of professionals uses the latest technology and techniques to ensure that every jacket we produce meets the highest standards of quality and durability. In our factory, we follow a strict production process to ensure that every jacket is completed to perfection. First, the jacket is either flat packed or hanger packed, depending on the customer's preference. This helps us to save space during the transportation. Next, we attach hang tags to the jacket, which include important information such as the size, care instructions, and brand name. To protect the logo prints, we place tissue paper while packaging the jackets. We then fold the jacket and place it into the printed poly bag, which protects the garment from moisture and dust during transportation. Finally, the jacket is placed into a labeled carton box and is ready for shipment. At our factory, we understand the importance of timely delivery and quality assurance. That is why we have strict quality control procedures in place to ensure that every jacket we produce meets your standards. Let's get started working together in 3 simple steps. First, we will receive and review your tech packs to ensure that we understand your specific requirements. Next, we will quote you a price and work with you to hit your target price. Finally, we will make complimentary samples for you to review and approve before we begin mass production. I hope this video was useful for learning about the garment completion process in our factory for your seam sealing jacket needs. We look forward to working with you in Vietnam.